in which we have solved array, two pointer, and sliding window questions. And now I have to solve one more question of in sliding window, which is longest sub array of 1 after deleting one element. Okay, so in this question there is given a binary array num, which is contain binary means containing 0 and 1. You should delete one element from it. Okay, you can delete only one element from it, such that there is there is longest non-empty subarray. The subarray should be non-empty, containing only one in a resulting array. Okay, so you have to return 0 if no such subarrays exist, and if such subarray exists, then you just have to return the size of in subarray. Okay, so here is an nums which is size of 4. You can delete the 0th element and you will get 111. Okay, so you just have to return the size of a nums. In this question you can delete only one zero, which is you can delete this 0 and you will get 1 2 3 4. Okay, after deleting the number of position, 1 2 3 4 5, you will get 5, so you just have to return the 5. Okay, you can delete 0. Okay, so yeah, there is a given a question 1 1 0 1. Okay, only one time you can delete 0. K equals to 1. Okay, so you can delete any 0. Okay, so here is only a 1 0, so you delete this 0. After deleting you will get 1 1 1. So this is the sub array. You just have to return the size of in sub array. So the size of in sub array is 3. Okay, so get the you will get the longest subarray, which is containing a 1. In the same way, there is a question which is 0 triple 1, 0 triple 1, and then 0, again 0, and 1 1 0 1 0 1. So in this question you can delete any 0. Either you can delete this, or delete this. Okay, so if you delete the first 0, you will get 3 size, which is longest subarray if you delete this. Okay, and again you will get 3. Okay, longest, and again for if you delete the second 0, again writing this, wait, okay, so if you delete this 0, you will get size of 5. Okay, size of 5 ones, 1 2 3 4 5. So the size is 5. And again if you delete the last 0, you will get only one size. Okay, if you delete this, you will get only one size. So you just have to return the maximum, which is 5. So you have to return this. So let's do this. How you can approach this question? You just have to do the same as I have done already in a maximum consecutive one. You just have to change only one thing, which is k equals to 1. So let's do this. I just have to write int I equals to 0, I less than sorry, first I have to write size int n equals to nums dot size int I equals to 0 comma j equals to 0 and flip equals to 0. Okay, int max length equals to int min, int length equals to 0, and then I just have to do while j is less than n. This is the same code as I have done already, and you have to do k equals to 1. Okay, only one time you can do this. If nums of j is equals to 1, then you just have to do j plus plus. Okay, else if it is not, then I just have to check if flip is less than k, then you just have to do flip plus plus comma j plus plus. Okay, else you just have to do length equals to j minus I and max length equals to maximum of length comma max length. Okay, and while nums of I is equals to 1, then you just have to do I plus plus and then I plus plus comma j plus plus. I just have to write length equals to j minus I, comma max length equals to maximum of length comma max length. Okay, and after this you just have to return max length minus 1. Okay. So let's run this code. Okay, error. Where is an error? Again run this code. Okay, k is not declared. I have declared already. It is small k. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.